September 17th, 2025, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. We've got a new tropical depression out there. Yeah, just before 5 a.m., the Hurricane Center, looking at the data with our tropical wave out in the Atlantic, decided that that low pressure is well-defined enough to now call this tropical depression number 7. And that means from now on, they will start issuing forecast tracks. And you see the latest track takes this system, just like the models have been indicating, north of the islands and then north of the Turks and Caicos, likely recurving away from the U.S. East Coast. Now, we are going to have to watch this for Bermuda, as it could be at its strongest as it passes near that island next week. Spaghetti plots haven't changed. They are consistent on a west-northwest movement, and neither have the ensemble runs. Let me show you what the GFS, the Euro AI, and the Euro are showing. Here's why the Hurricane Center forecast is really so locked in. All of the model ensemble runs are pretty much locked in on this track. There's a very, very, very little chance of this getting toward the U.S. There's going to be a frontal system off the East Coast, and as that heads toward the east, that should pick up what at that point is Gabrielle and move it away. Now, the Euro, the strongest with this, kind of unusual, turns this into a hurricane as it passes near Bermuda. The Euro AI may be a strong tropical storm or a weaker hurricane. I think the Hurricane Center forecast at Cat 1 is probably a little conservative in about 5 days. The GFS of all the models, actually the weakest, maybe keeping this a tropical storm. I'll keep you updated.